Yeah.
Yeah.
Pomo, come back!
Have you seen Pomo's
Pomo.
thighs? Holy shit!
I'm just
Pomo,
being
your boobs are
realistic.
big for fairies, okay?
Pomo, I love you.
Come back. It's okay.
Oh,
Pomo.
Guys.
It's okay. It's a
I
phase, you know.
love
You
you.
gotta denial and then
We're
acceptance.
talking about big boobs.
Come back. I want to be squished.
That's why
With
y'all
your
should put her legs on Rainbow
thighs.
so she doesn't feel alone.
I can't fit that much on my screen. Oh, she's
Oh,
back.
It's back.
By your thighs.
Welcome
That's
back,
the dream,
Pomo.
guys. You know what? The reason I joined Niji-Sanji
I have the
to be
nicest
squished by Pomo.
legs in Niji-Sanji,
Yeah,
okay?
you do.
Yeah,
you really do. You really do.
Do
Think
I have
about
to
them every
show
time
that
I eat
to
chicken.
my screen is chicken.
Yo, the first time I met Pomu and Finana, I remember being like, damn, holy shit. And then I was like,
I've
"Whoops, I
never
can't say
looked
that
at
out loud."
Pomo's legs before properly.
Well,
You
look
never
at
looked
them
at my
right
legs?
Yeah,
now.
she's got
Yeah, look at it.
legs.
I'm looking. I'm going to find the. I'm trying to find the picture.
Jesus,
They're
Anna.
meaty.
Oh my god. Okay.
Big.
Oh.
Meaty.
Oh.
Oh?
Now I see.
Where? Show us
Okay,
good
okay,
stuff.
okay.
Here, I'll post.
Can I put it on screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Also, there's
Okay.
something about gloves too. They're it's like really hot, you know.
Yeah,
One
when she just
glove.
drank.
All right,
Oh.
Pomo's thighs
my
in
God.
3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
sorry.
baby.
Pog!
And the little like vine on your thigh.
He just said pog.
Turn away, please.
네, 주시오.